everyone, welcome back to Sunday Live Show, and thank you so much guys for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what's going to happen on Amalanga Hawafani from the 10th to the 14th of August 2026 on Monday. A greedy Sugar Basin makes a risky deal with Bra-Rich. Ntando is headed to find Sandla AWOL. Thembi and Tebang urged her to ignore social media comments about her on Tuesday. A celebration at the hostel turns terrifying in seconds, leaving Sugar Basin at the center of the chaos. Star takes drastic steps to transform her body. Ntando faces another heartbreak at home, and Sabelo gets an unexpected second chance with Kenosi on Wednesday. Sugar Basin's dangerous shortcut threatened to destroy his life. Sabelo fights to keep both love and music. Star hoped to redeem herself, turn her into a viral meme on Thursday. Sugar Basin digs himself into deeper trouble and invites danger to his home. Kenosi meets the in-laws and it's a love at first sight. Star braves through her interview on Friday. A desperate scam spiraled into a deadly nightmare when Sugar Basin finds himself at the mercy of a furious mob. Well guys, that's all I have for today. You can leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.